They are made with dreams in their hearts and determination in their stride. And today, we are immensely proud to present the students who will carry forward the values and vision of Sanskar Innovative School with excellence, empathy and enthusiasm. Presenting the March Past by the Leaders of Hope, the Prefectorial Board 2025 and 26.
Here comes our tenacious and passionate sports captain, Mr. Bhukia Vikas Rathod.
Let us welcome our fierce and focused sports vice captain, Mr. Maluk Yashwan Naik, son of Mr. Nagesh Naik and Ms. Vasanta.
Bhukia is a state-level volleyball player and a silver medalist because he is a strategic thinker, a team motivator and a symbol of sporting grit. His leadership in sports reflects discipline, drive and dedication.
Mr. Nagesh Naik and Ms. Vasanta. Maluk Yashwan Naik, with 4 gold medals in volleyball, he is an unstoppable force on the court and an inspirational figure of it, symbolizing teamwork, agility and resolve.
Daughter of Miss Marapu Narayana Rao and Miss Marapu Kavya.
Here comes our creative and insightful cultural vice captain, Mr. Komakula Mahesh, son of Mr. Komakula.
NCC cadet, a runner, a dancer and a debater, Chinayana brings vibrance, versatility and artistic insight to our cultural.
Komakula Rajendra Prasad and Ms. Komakula Srivani. Komakula Mahesh, a badminton silver medalist.
Our articulate and expressive language captain, Miss Purgatory Srilika Reddy, daughter of Mr. Purgatory Jagan Mohan Reddy and Miss Samala Shravanti Reddy.
Let's welcome our bright and imaginative language vice captain, Ms. Ankita Sahu, daughter of Ms. Prakash Raf Sahu and Ms. Sakina Sahu.
Shrihita, a handwriting champ, science fair finalist and dance performer. She embodies the art of storytelling, precision in communication and clarity of thought.
Mr. Prakash Sahu and Ms. Sakina Sahu. Ankita is winner in art and third in running. Ankita possesses a keen eye for detail, vivid imagination and eloquent voice for expression.
Enforcing rules and maintaining order with fairness. Marching in with dignity is our calm and commanding discipline captain, Mr. Tekulapalli Shreyas Reddy, son of Mr. Tekulapalli Ravindra Reddy and Ms. Tekulapalli Sandhya.
Please welcome our fearless and sharp disciplined vice captain, Ms. Jannavarapu Srinivasa Reddy and Ms. Jannavarapu Rajani.
Shreyas, an intelligent scholar, a class topper and a skating enthusiast. Shreyas leads with composure, conviction and consistency, making discipline an admired virtue.
I welcome Jannavarapu Joshnika, daughter of Mr. Jannavarapu Srinivasa Reddy and Ms. Jannavarapu Rajani. Joshnika, a regional gold medalist in Taekwondo, a national level performer and an accomplished artist. Agni symbolizes strength, willpower and the eternal flame of learning. Let us welcome our spirited and determined Agni House captain, Mr. Solupeta Lakshmana Reddy, Mr. Solupeta Rajita.
Following the footsteps is Mr. Chintala Sudip Mudiraj, son of Mr. Chintala Mahinder Mudiraj and Ms. Chintala Nagalakshmi.
Lakshana is a powerhouse of energy and endurance. Lakshana showcased her sporting spirit by representing our school in the prestigious Kho SGF tournament. Her leadership is as fierce as fire, igniting passion and teamwork in everyone around her.
Mudiraj, son of Shrinkara Mahendra Mudiraj and Shrinkara Nagalakshmi. Kritik is a phenomenal athlete who has played for the Hyderabad Cricket Association under-14 team. His consistent performance on the field has earned him 3 Man of the Series award, making him a symbol of discipline, dedication and drive. Plays for all elements and represents clarity, truth and boundless imagination. Akash teaches us to rise above, to be observant and to embrace the change with grace. Presenting the calm and composed Akash as captain, Mr. Pradyuman Reddy, son of Mr. Govardhan and Kavita.
Please welcome the agile and confident vice captain of Akash House, Ms. Chegula Lasya Reddy, daughter of Mr. Santosh Reddy and Ms. Shobha Rani. Pradyuman, he got bronze medal in Kung Fu tournament, participated in debate competition and he is the best basketball player. Daughter of Mr. Santosh Reddy and Ms. Shobha Rani. Lasya is a gold medalist in Kung Fu, participated in writing competition in Millotopia and participated in basketball inter-school competition.
Note offers stability and symbolizes patience, strength and responsibility. Just like the earth supports life, the members of Prithvi House stand strong and supportive.
Let us celebrate the grounded yet graceful Prithvi House captain, Mr. Hanumant Gari Vaishvik Reddy, son of Mr. Hanumant Gari Vittal Reddy and Ms. Hanumant Gari Shilpa Reddy. Vaishvik is a martial arts champion with 2 gold medals and 1 silver in Kung Fu. He is district level carom player and a melodious singer embodying strength with serenity.
Here comes the articulate and aspiring vice captain of Prithvi House, Ms. Malod Akshara, daughter of Mr. Bhaskar and Ms. Saroja. A scholar with 3rd rank in International Science Olympiad, Akshara has impressed everyone with her essays and public speaking, standing tall as an intellectual anchor of her house.
Flexibility and emotional depth. It teaches us to be gentle yet powerful, to adapt, to cleanse and to connect hearts with harmony.
Using the composed and charismatic Varun House captain, Ms. Gauri Gari Vartika Reddy, daughter of Mr. Gauri Gari Raju Reddy and Ms. Gauri Gari Veka.
Joining her is the determined and resolute vice captain of Varun House, Mr. Padala Venkata Nagavardhana Patel, son of Mr. Padala Santosh and Ms. Karam Shravani.
Vartika is a talented singer and a skilled basketball player at the under-14 inter-school level. She leads with calm confidence like water that flows and empowers everything in its path.
Inviting vice captain of Varun House, Mr. Padala Venkata Nagavardhana Patel. Vardhan secured 3rd place in Kabaddi at Gurukul International School, won gold medal in Kung Fu and participated in CBSE clusters. He embodies the power of perseverance and emotional strength.
Let us welcome the unsung heroes of this ceremony. Our marshals, the silent supporters, the steady shoulders, and the trusted helping hands of all our student leaders.
These marshals may walk behind the leaders, but they carry the same fire, the same commitment, and the same sanskar spirit in their hearts.
Leading by example and upholding the values of order, respect, and responsibility, we now present disciplined marshals. First, we have Ms. Supala Srini Yadav, daughter of Mr. Sunila Raju Yadav and Ms. Sunila Sushma Yadav. A fierce and focused martial artist, she brings pride to our school with 3 gold medals and 2 silver medals in karate.
Next, I welcome Miss Bhavani Sagarika Yadav, daughter of Mr. Bhavani Venkatesh and Miss Bhavani Aruna. Sagarika, a determined athlete, she secured third place in a running race and showcased her strength by participating in a Kung Fu tournament. Respect and responsibility. I now finally welcome Mr. Pullagulla Tanish Reddy, son of Mr. Pullagulla Naveen Reddy and Ms. Pullagulla Dhanalakshmi.
Finally, I welcome Mr. Pullagulla Manish Reddy, son of Mr. Pullagulla Naveen Reddy and Ms. Pullagulla Varalakshmi.
Pullagulla Tanish Reddy, a spirited student with a sharp mind, first prize winner in a Telugu quiz and a budding singer.
The champion of strength, skill and spirit.
First, I welcome Mr. Uniyala Dixit, son of Mr. Uniyala Santosh and Ms. Uniyala Lakshmi.
Next, I welcome Mr. Channapalli Lakshman Yadav, son of Mr. Channapalli Yadgiri and Ms. Channapalli Nagalakshmi.
Dikshit, a dynamic sportsman who participated in the state level volleyball tournament and also impressed us with his artistic flair in drawing competitions.
I now invite Mr. Channapalli Lakshman Yadav. A passionate Kho-Kho player at the district level and a runner-up in athletics, he inspires everyone to keep moving forward.
Our final sports marshal, Mr. Ausula Srivadan, son of Mr. Ausula Lakshman Kumar and Ms. Ausula Hridayaram.
Mr. Ausula Srivadan.
Ausula Srivardhan, a tireless athlete who played Kho-Kho in CBSE clusters and the SGF tournament, a name to watch in the sporting world.
Language master, those who speak with clarity, think with depth, and inspire with every word.
I now welcome a first language marshal, Ms. Srilasya Lanka, daughter of Mr. Venkateshwarlu and Ms. Dhanalakshmi.
Next, Ms. Chinthalapalli Snehalata Reddy, daughter of Mr. Chinthalapalli Raju Reddy and Ms. Chinthalapalli Raju.
Srilasya Lanka, an exceptional academic achiever with silver and bronze medals in IIT and second position in the International English Olympiad.
We now have Ms. Chinthalapalli Snehalata Reddy. A brilliant orator and a resilient athlete who participated in the 2000-meter run and was selected for the NCC.